Lacrosse is a fast-paced game played with 12 players on the field. There's 2 goalies per team, and everyone else is field players. It is less aggressive as the boys' game. It is played in 60 minutes with 2 halves. Whoever scores more goals wins.
Our program has grown so much. We are a 6-year program, and we basically started from the bottom. We started off with not even a full field of girls, maybe 10 people, and we really prided ourselves on accepting people that had never played before.
What's so great is that there were girls that had never played lacrosse and came from different sports backgrounds, never even tried lacrosse, and now you're looking at girls that played for 4 years in high school. They're looking to go to Cal State San Marcos so they could play lacrosse. This program is just continuously growing. I just see us moving, to the next level.
I play for women's lacrosse at Cal State San Marcos because of the passionate environment that a student-run organization offers. We're all out here practicing every day because we want to, because we love the sport. We build great relationships between friends that last forever, and it creates a great foundation to succeed in college.
I expect next year to be a lot like the past years I've been coaching. I'm hoping to get a bunch of girls who care and want to be there, and I expect to go to nationals again.